Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious omelette. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 2 or 3 fresh eggs, a pat of butter, and any fillings you desire. You will also need an 8-inch non-stick pan and a flexible spatula. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success right from the start. Now let's prepare the eggs and the pan. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, place your non-stick pan over medium heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter, swirling it to coat the entire bottom surface. This ensures a smooth, even cook. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked eggs into the hot, buttered pan. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to set. Then, using your spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Repeat this a few times until most of the egg is softly set. For the final touch, add your chosen fillings, like cheese, herbs, or vegetables, onto 1/2 of the omelette. Continue cooking for another 30 seconds, just until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist. Carefully fold the unfilled half over the fillings. Gently slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and serve immediately. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.